Test your credit knowledge. How does paying off a loan early affect your credit score? A. It has no effect on your credit score. What is the purpose of a credit builder loan? C. To rebuild credit by making regular payments. What is the purpose of a debt management plan? A. To consolidate debts into a single payment. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more. Visit www.creditmoneymachine.com for a zero-knowledge professional results 15-second processing software. Schedule your private session at www.lmrcalendar.com today.